Hi, I'm Chris. I'm here at Jayco HQ and I'm here to run you through the features of your Jayco RV. Let's go have a look. The CrossTrak is a great product for those who love the outdoor lifestyle. The good part about the CrossTrak is you've got an external kitchen and also an external fridge behind me here. So let's check out the fridge. Open your door. Slide out your fridge. Now the slide will lock into place, so you don't need to worry about it sliding back in if you are on a slight hill. Release the lever, and we've also got a barbecue tray here at the end, so if you've got your Weber or your Ziggy, you've got additional cooking space. Fitted to the CrossTrak is a 55 litre 12 volt fridge. Now this fridge here is connected via a 12 volt socket behind me here in the trunk door, so make sure that's connected. Now at the end of the fridge here, we have our control panel. It's really easy to set and forget. So you set it to the temperature, walk away, and your fridge is going to maintain that temperature. This particular fridge, we can access from both sides. So really simple control panel to turn on and off your fridge and set the temperature. So we'll turn the fridge on, so hold down the on button until the screen lights up. Now to set our temperature, hold down that button, the set button. It's going to start flashing, so you can set Fahrenheit or Celsius. So we want Celsius, hit set again, and then adjust the temperature. So you can also use this as a freezer as well, so you can go into the minus, hit set, and you're good to go. And that's how your 12 volt fridge will keep your food and beverages cold. Thanks for tuning in, and for more tips and guides, please visit jayco.com.au and we'll see you next time.